let me introduce to you our product called Innvencode, a cashless vending machine that uses QR codes for safe and fast payment transactions. This machine dispenses daily essentials for pandemic needs such as alcohols or sanitizer, face mask, face shields, tissues, paper soap, and protection kits. To avail a product, first step is to select and press the button of your desired item from the machine. Then the customer must have the GCash app to scan the QR code from the machine for the payment. But remember, if you encounter problems in scanning the QR code, you may just proceed to the GCash app, scroll and tap the View All GCash Services, and find the Innvencode from the business section to pay. Then wait for the payment received to flash on the LCD screen to process your order. To finally get your order, press again the button of your desired product and wait for it from the takeout port. Innvencode comes with 2 sizes, in standard and in mini size, with other 4 color variations of brown, red, orange, and green. Choose Innvencode and live life in a secured way.